Welcome to the Art Lady's home. Today I'm going to show you two different specialty mangoes called a Kent mango and a young mango, or this is also called a Tebow mango. Now the Kent mango is a seedling from what they call a Hayden mango. This has a lot of fiber in it, the Hayden. So your Hayden mango that you find in your grocery store here, it has lots and lots of fiber. And the seedling from the Hayden was this one here called a Kent. And the Kent is a cross between the Hayden mango here from your grocery store and a Brook mango. And then this is the result, which is an absolutely huge mango. Now, the seedling of this Kent produced this one here, which is called a young mango or Tebow. And this was bred here, the Tebow or the young mango was bred in 1960s. The Kent mango is the one I'm going to try first. And the Kent mango is a fiberless mango. The Hayden mango here, which is the Kent's parent. This one doesn't have lots of flavor and it has lots of fiber. It does have lots of fiber, which make it probably easier for the grocery stores to bring to you in, mass and make and produce in mass quantities. And it's got that pretty red color that everybody loves, but fiber and not as much taste. The Kent, on the other hand, is a different mango. It is fiberless and mildly sweet with peachy tastes. And it's more of that classic mango-y taste. So let's start opening up that one first. And then we'll get into the Tebow, or the young mango. So this is our Kent. Huge. Look how big that is. And I tried to find a nice small one. They even grow bigger than this. And this I purchased at a nursery, and they had a specialty grower come and visit that brought mangoes. So there we have pretty much fiberless. Let's smell it here and see how it smells. And it smells like a true mango. Okay. And I'll slice it down. It's so big I can't even scoop it out with my cup here. It's huge. Okay. It's a nice yellowy orange color. Let's do the fiber test. 0 fiber. I can feel a little bit of a give, but no noise it makes. Let's go. This is so big, I'm going to cut down again this way. There. Not dripping with juice, as some other mangoes are. It has a firm consistency. Yeah, I would definitely say medium sweetness and slightly peachy. Delicious, juicy. Slightly acidic-y, very, very mildly tart. It has a really perfect, beautiful taste. As far as, medium flavors, slightly peachy, like I said. A nice, very refreshing, slightly citrusy. It has a little citrusy tang to it, but a nice, average, tasting mango. This would make great smoothies or make great frozen drinks, or just a real delicious to eat fresh, like this. I like the consistency of it because it's a good firm, it's not all mushy and falling apart. So a good one to top off salads. This was a little bit, seemed harder toward the end. Let me get this end piece and see. But this is a nice overall mango compared to the store-bought ones. Much more flavorful. That was a little bit more tartar toward the end. Different places in a mango taste differently too. Let's see the midsection. Midsection had more of that true mango-y taste. Let's try the end here. These two pieces. Yeah, that more true mango taste. Yeah, overall a very good mango. So that was the Kent mango, which is the seedling of a Hayden, and a Hayden and a Brook seedling. And it is the parent of the young mango, which we're going to try now, which is also called the Tebow mango. And here is the Tebow, or the young mango. Ooh, very juicy. This is the Kent. So we're comparing it. Similar in color in the middle, except this is a little bit yellowier on the edge. Smooth. Let's listen. This is a fiberless, mildly delicate, classic group. A little bit of a mixed fruit juicy taste. So let's see what it tastes like. That's what it's supposed to taste like. Yeah, a little bit yellowier. More like lemony yellow on that edge. I think it's a little bit chalkier, a little bit chalkier taste. This one has more, definitely does taste more fruitier than this one, than the Kent. I'm going to compare again. That's why I have it still here. This has more of a powerful tartar, sweeter tartar taste. So more tartness to that. This seems creamier, but yeah, a little bit of chalkiness mixed in. Probably that's why you get this color here. That's where I'm getting the chalkier. This is fruitier, but more bland, I think. And this is the Tebow. This Kent is a little bit more refreshing. I'm going to try just the top part here. That's not as flavorful. Let's go down a little bit deeper. Definitely not as flavorful as the Kent. Yeah, not as flavorful. I'd say it's a medium flavor and medium sweetness. It does kind of taste like your fruit cocktail cups. If you mix all those fruits together. Just a light medium flavor. I don't think I would ever grow a Tebow. The Kent has a more citrusy flavor than that Tebow. The Tebow is more kind of like more of a honey fruity taste with a slight chalkiness to it. I mean, it's still 10 times better than a grocery store mango, but when you're trying different mangoes to grow or to buy, if you want to buy them, you can order these from, I know, South Florida, and they'll ship them to you, but it's kind of pricey. It's like $100, and you get like, I want to say about 6 to 8 mangoes, depending on which ones you're ordering. And if you're ordering the bigger ones like the Kent, you're probably going to get less because Kents are huge. So I would definitely, there are definitely other varieties if you're going to spend that much money on that are better than this one. But it is a better variety than a grocery store. It's a lighter, milder flavor. Just a fruity flavor. I'm going to try and grow, well, it's monoembryonic. So I may try and grow a seedling from this because this may be fun to see what I get. But I have a feeling it's going to be less flavorful because I went from a highly flavored, more sour Kent or more tart Kent to this one, which is milder. So I may just grow it for a stalk and then I can graft onto this. But to go buy a tree, the trees are pretty expensive. In 3-gallon pots, they're pretty pricey, and it's a super small tree. I can get them for $40, but super small tree. And then I live in a zone between 9A and 9B. So to grow one of these, I'm going to have to cover it and use all that effort. So I think I'm going to pick a better variety. There are tons of varieties out there, and this is just 2 of them. So this was the Tebow and the Kent. I'm butchering this because I can't talk and do it at the same time. I'm going to let my son taste test this, see what he thinks. But I would say this is just an average mango. It's nothing to, definitely not to order a box of for $100 to ship to you. There are much better varieties. For example, the sweet tarts or the coconut flavor ones. Those are amazing. So that's it for the Art Lady's Home today. If you want to taste test with me other videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button because I'll be uploading more as they come into season.